So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to go to LA and do some tools shopping at one of my favorite tool stores. They sell machinery, joiners, planers, table saws, bigger equipment, not much of the handheld power tools. They do sell Festool, Craig Jig, so we're going to hopefully get permission and walk you through the store and introduce you to some new tools today. Getting close. Good to see downtown LA. As we continue our tool shopping day. Hour drive so far. So we just got here. It was a little bit of a drive, but we're here at Eagle Tools in Glendale, California, and we're going to walk through and show you the store. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. We've got the Shaper router, Festool, SawStop. They got the new Shaper router workstation. A lot of Festool. They even have the new table, portable table. The SawStops. They got contractor saw. Professional table saw with a 36-inch fence and built-in router table, sliding table on the Festool, or the Shaper, SawStop, delete that, SawStop.
It's over here, Dan.
You got more hand tools, router bits, Japanese saws, micro jig, Festool, bandsaw, CMT router bits, Powermatic mortiser, Laguna table saw, Cormax grinder, clamps, lots of bandsaw blades, dust collector accessories.
It's empty in here right now because they're closed, but
Big variety of bandsaws from Laguna to Agazzani, Powermatic. Agazzani is an Italian brand, Laguna. Even Laguna, the Italian brand. Bandsaws, drill presses, lathes, Jet, Laguna, Powermatic. Braces for the drum sanders. Dust collectors, big selection of dust collectors. Lots and lots of options. This is a combination joiner planer that Jet makes. Lots of Festool accessories, MFT tables, bandsaw, drill press.
another SawStop.
Planers, a 20-inch Jet planer, 20-inch Powermatic, 20-inch Laguna, 15-inch Powermatic, the Shop Fox 15-inch Jet, another combination joiner planer Jet, Powermatic table saw with a really big table, 12-inch blade, drum sanders, Supermax planers, small little joiners, another dust collector, spindle sander by Jet, bandsaw by General, big 12-inch Laguna joiner with the helical knives, blades, Supermax and Jet drum sanders, Powermatic helico head joiner 8-inch with a long bed, mobile base, 4-inch joiner, 6-inch joiner. Lots of options. Parallel clamps, got some jet parallel clamps, Bessie parallel clamps, saw blades.